Hey everyone, you are watching Ruth Getting Things Done, and you are going to watch me build a storage for my mini fridge. This storage right here is originally for the bathroom, and it goes over your toilet. Lucky for me, I had a vision and decided that I would use this for my mini fridge. This storage would be perfect for college students who live in tight dorms and just need more space to store their food and other items. Right here, I am removing my mirror. Now, I am unboxing the storage unit and putting the pieces in order. This is the manual, and it is important to read it and study it due to the lack of words. In this part of the video, I am organizing the hardware and unit piece. I like to keep things organized while building a unit like this. It helps keep my time short. I would not be using this doorknob. You know me, I love my pink. In order to complete this unit in a timely fashion, I am organizing the unit pieces by its original numbers from 1 through 18. Also, based on the manual instructions, I am making sure that all of the pieces are there and accounted for. Here, I am applying the hardware to the door. I am applying hardware to all of the pieces that requires them. Pay close attention to the manual and how you arrange the pieces. I made a mistake here. I arranged the unfinished part the wrong way. Don't make the same mistake as I did. Be gentle when assembling this storage unit and do not put too much pressure on this part. And now the door. The instruction manual can be quite confusing without using any words. Woo child, almost done. Make sure to align the backboards correctly so that the screws go straight into the unfinished parts in the back of the storage unit. This is where you can put the knob back in. Now, I will be using these screws to anchor the storage unit to the wall. Here, I am adding the adjustable shelves and arranging them to my standards. How do you like this storage unit so far? Not bad for bathroom storage, huh? Comment below if you would try this for your mini fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.